Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you're all keeping fine. Okay, today I have come with a sensorial material. Sensorial material, I'll always bring it from the sensorial shelf. Okay, now M2 children, பெரிய பசங்க, they already know this material. Okay, but M1 children are going to see it for the first time. Okay, so this material is called as tasting bottles. What is it called? Tasting bottles. Tasting bottles. Seriya? So from the name itself you understand you are going to taste it. How do you taste? With your tongue. Do you taste with your eyes? No. With your nose? No. With your tongue? Yes. We taste with our tongue. So, I am going to introduce you to few taste. Okay? Taste, there are 6 types. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many tastes are there? 6. 6 different kinds of taste. Today, I am going to show you 4 taste only. Next week, we will do another 2. Okay? So, what are the 4 common tastes, Therima? First taste what you all like is the sweet. The sweet taste. The sweet taste of sugar. Do you all like sugar? Pidikollaya? How does it taste? Inippa irukum. That is called sweet. Okay? Meetha. Sweet. Sweet irukkiradhu vandu is a taste that you get from sugar or sugar based things, like for example candies, chocolates, adilella sugar mix pannirpaanga, cake, that all they would have mixed sugar, ice creams, so they're all sweet. Or laddus, gulab jamuns, all that is made with sugar, so it will be very sweet. In nature you will find sweet things even in fruits. For example, apple. How does apple taste? It tastes very sweet. Okay. So, banana. Banana also tastes sweet. Ripe banana. Illaya? Mangoes. Ripe mangoes. Eppadi irukum? Be very sweet. So, in nature, some things without sugar itself it will be very, very sweet. Sometimes you have to add sugar and then those things like laddu or candies, chocolates, cakes or ice creams become sweet. Seriya? So, sweet is the first taste. Okay? Next one is bitter. Adoda exact opposite taste enna? Sweet or exact opposite vandu bitter. Bitter na kasaku. Okay? Very, very bitter it will be. Generally, children do not like bitter taste. Example edu? Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd theriyum illaya? Pagarkai. Okay? Karela. That is bitter. Okay? Bitter taste you will find also in neem leaf. Neem leaf, amma sometimes antibacterial in these days and all to protect you from corona. She might put neem leaves in the bucket of water. Neenga kulikka pora thanniyilla. Illaya? So you might feel that taste of that water has become bitter. Okay? So where engellam bitter irukum? Tea and coffee. Mummy makes tea and coffee. That will be very bitter. Appa what will she do? She will put sugar into it. Then only it will become sweet. Illena tea, coffee vandu powder and the decoction will be always bitter. Kasaku. Bitter. Seriya? So there is tea, coffee, bitter gourd, neem leaves, aprom sundakkai. Kasakum. Okay? And few berries like cranberry, adallam vandu will be very, very bitter. Seriya? Next one taste that we are going to see is sour. Sour. Sollunga? Sour. Sour taste ங்கிறது வந்து புளிப்பு. Okay, புளிக்கிறது taste. For example, lemon. Lemon, just take a little bit of lemon and put it on your tongue and see. புளிக்கும் இல்லையா? That is called sour taste. Please say sour taste. Sour. Sour. Okay? Sour tasteல வேற என்னெல்லாம் இருக்கு? புளிக்கிற மாதிரி. Raw mango. பச்சை mango சாப்பிட்டிருக்கீங்களா? I'm not talking the yellow color mango. The green mango. Then you get this taste in orange also. Orange, that also will have the sour taste. Pulikum, orange. Okay. Then curd, தயிர். Curd, after some point of time, it becomes very sour. Okay. Then the main thing, tamarind, puli. Mummy made puli sadam, or sometimes she would have taken and kept some puli extract on the side. Konja puli thanni she would have kept. No, that is a best example for sour taste. Okay, so we saw lemon, orange, then tamarind, and what else? Curd. இதெல்லாம் வந்து புளிக்கிற taste. It will be very sour. சரியா? Okay, so that is your third taste. We saw sweet, bitter, sour. And the fourth taste is salty. What is it? Salty. Salty, na, from the name itself you got it, salt. Seriya? Salt, you know the taste of salt? That is what is a salty taste. Naakla potodne, you find it too strong for you. From where do they get the salt? Do you know from where they make salt? I told you sugar is made from sugarcane. So where is salt made from? Salt is made from the sea water, kadal thanni. When you go to beach and play in the water, how do you find the water? Accidentally the water goes into your mouth. Vaayila pochuna eppadi irukum? Uppa irukum illaya? Yes. அந்த கடல் தண்ணியில இருந்து தான், from that sea water only they make salt. Then they add the salt into different things, like for example salt biscuit, or they will put it into your chips, your favorite potato chips. Okay, when you eat the potato chips you feel very very salty. Have you tried eating the chips without salt? You will not like it. கொஞ்சம் கூட பிடிக்காது உங்களுக்கு. சரியா? So when salt actually adds a very nice flavor to everything. Okay, even for sweets also, if you put one pinch of salt into that sweet, the sweetness doubles up. It is really nice. In cake and all, you put one pinch of salt, the sweetness is a lot more better. Seriya? So salt adds taste to all food items, and all food that we eat other than the fruits will have salt in it. அதனால தான் தமிழ்ல they will say உப்பில்லா பண்டம் குப்பையிலே, which means if it is not salt, if you don't add salt in it, or if it is not salty enough, mostly people will put it in dustbin. They don't want it. So what should you do? Add salt. Okay, salt is very very special. So in this material of taste bottles, what we do is we have to take the help of mummy or daddy, and you all can play at home this game, tasting bottles. At home, instead of bottles, you can take 8 glasses. Chariya? 8 glasses or 8 tumblers. These 8 tumblers, 4 of it should be one color. Chariya? So maybe 4 tumblers can be stainless steel tumblers, and 4 tumblers can be kannadi tumblers, glass tumblers. Okay, 4 and 4. Onnila vandu you will have to add sugar water. These two will have sugar water. Okay, sugar water. These two you must add something bitter. So you can add neem leaves. Neem theriyum illaya? Vepala. Okay, neem leaves you pour into it. Adoda saara illena bitter gourd oda water. Okay, just squeeze in a little bit. So that into both the bottles, this and this, bitter. Next add salt, 2 salt bottles. And then 2 bottles for sour. You can use lemon. Seriya? So 2 lemon, 2 salt, 2 bitter and 2 sweet. Seriya? Then what we will do? We will mix up everything. Seriya? Now I don't know sweet where it is and salt where it is. Okay? But one side you have sweet, salt, bitter, sour. Same way you have here. Okay? That's why I told you should have 2 different kinds. 4 of one color and 4 of another color. Seriya? Now, this is how we start doing. Take the first bottle. Okay? And taste that with a spoon. Take a spoon and then taste it. This is bitter. Bitter. Now I have to find out the bitter taste in this. Okay? This is sour. Salty. Bitter. Got it. So I got 2 bitters. Okay? Other end onna vachirlam. Like color tablets, you keep 2 reds together, 2 yellows together, like that. Bitter onna vachitten. Now I will put this back in its place. Okay? This is sour. Okay, we are going to taste this one and see how it is. This is sour. Pulikkidu. Let me find out where is sour in this side. In the side. Salty. Yes. Sour. Kadachirich. These 2 are sour taste. Seriya? So we got 2 bitter and 2 sour. Now I am going to taste this one. Sweet. This is sweet taste. Salty. Sweet. I got it. So we got 2 sweet tastes. Bitter, sour, salty. Sorry, sweet. I am going to taste this. This is salty. This also is salty. Seriya? See, I have got the pairs. Adoda correct pairs I have got it. At home also you can try like this. Okay? You bring in 2 of each taste and try to find out which one is pairing in it. Okay? After that, you make good use of these words. Wherever you feel it pulikira mari irundaduna, I want you to say sour. Wherever it is salty, you have to say salty. Wherever you find it kasakara mari, you will say bitter. Sweet, I know you all will definitely say sweet easily. Okay? So remember the words sweet, bitter, sour and salty. Okay children, so that's it with today's sensorial material of taste bottles. Next week I will come with the same taste bottle with 2 more different tastes. Until then, it is bye from Miss Juno. Bye-bye.